Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to explain about what is Kubernetes kubectl label and why would you use it and what is the label used in this. And basically Kubernetes labels are basically a key value pairs that have to connect and identify the metadata with the Kubernetes objects. They offer to integrate a support for using these labels to create an objects and perform bulk operation on selected subnets. And there's a that has been begun with a letter or number, and they will contain letter, number, hyphen, dots, and underscore up to 63 characters over here. And they have to attach the pairs to the objects such as pods. And labels are attending to use to specify identifying attributes of objects. And now I have to show you like in my CLI how it work and how it used in the real CLI, how in the real work on how to use kubectl label. Then you can understand like why would you use kubectl. So here I have shown you like how it worked. So where we have used to show you with the command of kubectl get pod. So these are the pods which are running over in my CLI. Now I have to explain about all the things which are used in label. I have run the new pods, like I have given the name of big pod, and this is the pod they have created. Pod they have created, and now I have to show you like how it is going for it. So I'm using these are in my pod are running stage, and now I have to show you like how to offer for the explanation of describe. So I have described the pod's name of my particular pod. So here I have shown you like label. They are clearly mentioned over here which label you are working over here and which label you have used. So my label in a running stage, as you seen in this below start time, there is a label mentioning. Now to show you the label form of particular form. So as you see, I have changed the environment. I have provided the name of the environment of my particular pod. So I have provided the name of environment testing. Now I have to show you like it will change or not. So now I've used the describe command. Now have you seen this in the label? They are mentioning environment and testing. Environment equal to testing, and my running pod is Ritesh. So I have provided the label of that in my pod. Now I have to provide the another name of the environment is like dev. So they also created for that. As you see, environment testing is there, environment one dev is there, and running pod. In the level in the next time I have to just overwrite it. So then we have to check that they have created or not. If I provide the environment name should be pod. So they have given me an error. Like they have already provided the value of my testing environment, so it can't be used. Override is false. Though there is another command we have used to override this thing. So I have just used that command so that you can understand like that which command you can use to override any of the particular things you are mentioning in the label. Now I have to show you. There is unchanged in this, which I have used that command. There's nothing has been changed in this. So there is one command over here. So I have just written the things in between this overwrite. I've just written overwrite over here, and now press enter, and then you can see my pod name has been label has been changed. Environment should be pod. As you see, there before is the environment is testing and now it's prod production. So that's the things we have used to override any of the things in the label function. Now there's more commands over here you can use. Now you can add much more commands in the between them. Then why which command you have used. This command is used to unlabel the any of the particular label you have assigned previously. So now environment one is not been there. As you see, only one environment prod is there. Environment one has been unlabeled. So we have used label command, we have used unlabeled command, then we have used override command over here. These are the commands we have used in the label. Label is basically like you have to provide the name of your particular pod. Your particular pod has been assigned one label, and then you have used that label to write any of the description of that pod, and then you have to provide any of the things you have mentioning in this. So that's why we have used label. And now there's the status we have used like this is a label command mentioning like if you used all status of XYZ. I have provided the name of XYZ. So they have changed the XYZ over here. Status should be XYZ. So these are the things we are mentioning in a label command. So that these are the things we are mentioning in the label command. So that's all the things we are mentioning, and you can understand like why would use label, why would use describe command, why would use delete command, and why it happened. And we have in the label command we have learned about how to provide the label unlabeled command. Then we have used override command over here. So that's all the things which are mentioning in this, and I hope you can understand. Now we will meet on the next video, and till then, thank you for watching.